Welcome all for the engineering graphics class. Today we are going to see about the topic from development of surfaces in Unit 4. Myself, Engineer G. Pradeesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari District. So the question is the pentagonal pyramid of base 30 mm side, height 70 mm, stands with its base on HP, such that one of the base edges parallel to BP. So the resting position which is given as resting on HP with its base and base edge is parallel to VP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30° to HP. Inclined 30° to HP. The cutting plane is bisecting the axis. So draw the development of the surface of the cut solid. So first of all, we have to draw the initial position of a pentagonal pyramid, which is resting on HP with its base edge parallel to BP. First to draw the XY line, which is the reference line XY. So resting on HP means we can see the pentagon shape in top view. So we have to draw the pentagon in top view. So we can draw the pentagon like this, or we can draw like this. Both the shapes are accepted for the pentagon, which is resting on HP with its base parallel to BP. So this is the base. This base is parallel to VP or the XY line. Okay. So and we are setting the pentagonal pyramid means we have to join all the corners into the center point of a pentagon. I already teach you how to mark the center of the pentagon. This is a top view of a pentagonal pyramid. Name the points A, B, C, D for all the corners. B, C, D, E. And for the center, O. So extend or project all the corners to front view, corners to the external line. Like this. And also we have to extend this axis line, a center line, center line, like this. So the height of the From here is 70 mm, we have to measure 70 mm from this XY line. So this is the vertex point or the apex point of the pentagon from your O dash. Join all the points to that O dash. To name the base of the pentagon in front B. This one is P dash, and this one is E dash, but it is invisible when you look from here, from the front. So we put it in bracket, and also that line should be in dotted. This is P dash, and this one is P dash, the same as E. It is also invisible. You have to put it in bracket, and C dash. So this is the front and front view and top view of the pentagon from it. So the next step is we have to draw the cutting section. The cutting plane is perpendicular and inclined perpendicular to each and inclined 30 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Bisecting means we have to take the half distance of the height. 70 mm means we have to take 35 mm. So measure 35 mm from base in the axis line. So 35 mm from the base or from the apex, we have to get the 35 mm point. In this 35 mm, we have to place the protractor and measure 30 degree. We will pass through all the edges, all the longer edges of the pentagon. So for the cutting tool, we have to start like this. So this is this also. This is this invisible edge. So we have to put it in hidden lines or dotted lines like this. Only this one is also the hidden. This one is also hidden line. We have to mount it like this. Okay. So the cutting points of this pentagon is this one. Second one. First of all, we have to mark the visible edges. Then we move to the invisible edges. So the points are P dash, Q dash, R dash. This invisible edge, we have to put it in bracket. This dash. This one is also invisible. We have to put it in bracket. PQ, PQRST. So the next step is we have to dot the remaining portion of a pentagonal pyramid. The remaining portion is the upper portion is removed. So the remaining portion is this one. We have to dot this. And it is also dotted lines also is there. It's the remaining edge also. So the next step is we have to draw the development of a pentagonal pyramid. So in this pyramid we have to take a slant edge, but here there is no horizontal edges in this top view. If we have the horizontal edges, we can take any one uh, uh, outermost slant edge, but we don't have any horizontal edges in this top view. So we cannot take this slant edge or this slant edge for marking a knot. In this case, we have to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay. We will transfer this edge to this horizontal line. Okay. Place the compass in this O point and measure this C and cut an arc, draw an arc like this. Okay. If we have any horizontal line, we can directly take the particular edge. So in this problem, we don't have any horizontal line like this. So we can convert this any edge to the horizontal line, and that line we have to take as the slant edge. So we are taking the C to here, and this one is C1 dash. For our for our convenience, we take this point as C1 dash. 1 dash. So connect this point to the vertex. So this is our slant edge that we are going to take for the development of surface. So measure O from C1 dash and draw an arc by using compass. Measure O dash and C1 dash and draw an arc by using compass. So this one is the O dash point, and from that O dash we have to draw a straight line like this. And we are having five edges in this pentagon. So we have to divide this arc into five points. Take a measurement of 30 side and cut an arc from continuous arc in this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Write all the points to the O dash. The basement of the pentagon pyramid is a straight line edge, but we are having here the arc like the edges. So we will connect this point by using scale. If it is cone, it will be like this. So the pentagonal pyramid, the base edges should be a straight edges. So we have to dot. We have to join those lines first by using scale. So starting from here and end it here. So we have to convert this PQRST point to this development. For that, we have to convert this PQRST point to the slanted which we taken for the arc. So we will join this PQRS point to the slanted by using scale. We have to take that measurement from this slanted only. If it is OA or OC means we have to extend the OA or extend these points to OA or OC. If we take this standard means we have to convert this point to transfer this point to the standard OC1 dash. So next step is we have to measure this PQRS point in OC1 dash point and then cut an arc here. So first of all we have to convert this P point. The P point is in OEL line. So we have to take the measurement in this point only, this C1 dash line. So this point is, so this is the C1 dash point. So to take the measurement from this and cut an arc here. The same measurement in this OE also. And Q point, we should take this measurement and cut an arc in B. And R point, we have to take this measurement and cut an arc here. And S point, we have to take this measurement here and cut an arc in this line. And T point, we have to take O dash this point and cut an arc here. So mark the point P, Q, R, S, T. And this is also a P point. Join this point by using scale. and also you have to draw the bottom edges. And also you have to draw the stronger edges inside the point CA, QB, R3, FD. So this is the development of a pentagonal triangle, which is cut by section plane perpendicular to the and using 30-degree triangle bisecting the axis. Mark the measurement, dimensions, as per the procedure. And also we have to mark the dimension in the development also for the side which is taken 30 mm. We have the axis height 70 mm. And this is the bisecting of its midpoint of the pentagonal pyramid. This one is the side of 30 mm taken for the height 70 mm, 30, 5. This one is 30 and this one is 30. Hope you can understand this. Thank you for this.